The foundation of Karna and Duryodhan's friendship is laid during a chariot race in Hastinapura. Karna, a skilled charioteer and warrior, arrives at the event uninvited due to his lowly status as a charioteer's son. Duryodhan not only welcomes Karna but also honors him, recognizing his talent and disregarding social norms. This gesture forms the basis of their deep friendship. As their friendship deepens, Karna and Duryodhan develop a profound mutual respect for each other's abilities and character. Despite Karna's low birth, Duryodhan treats him as an equal, appreciating his valor, integrity, and unwavering loyalty. Despite Duryodhan's unwavering support, Karna faces inner turmoil due to his birth secret. He struggles with his identity as the son of Kunti and the realization that he's fighting against his own brothers, the Pandavas. However, Duryodhan's friendship provides him solace and strengthens his resolve to stand by his friend, regardless of the consequences. Duryodhan entrusts Karna with crucial responsibilities within the Kaurava camp, demonstrating his complete faith in Karna's loyalty and abilities. Karna, in turn, fulfills his duties with utmost dedication, earning the trust and admiration of the entire Kaurava army. Karna's unwavering loyalty to Duryodhan is tested when Lord Krishna reveals his true lineage and offers him a chance to switch sides and fight alongside the Pandavas. Despite the temptation of joining his brothers, Karna remains steadfast in his allegiance to Duryodhan, prioritizing friendship and loyalty above all else. Throughout the Kurukshetra war, Karna fights valiantly on behalf of Duryodhan, displaying unparalleled courage and skill on the battlefield. Despite facing immense odds and personal conflicts, Karna remains committed to his friend's cause until his last breath. In the final moments of the war, when Karna's chariot wheel gets stuck, Duryodhan urges him to continue fighting, acknowledging his unwavering loyalty and sacrifice. Despite knowing his inevitable defeat, Karna faces his fate with dignity and remains loyal to Duryodhan until the end. After Karna's death, Duryodhan is devastated, mourning the loss of his closest friend and staunchest ally. Karna's sacrifice and loyalty leave an indelible mark on Duryodhan, shaping his understanding of friendship and honor. Even after the war, Duryodhan fondly remembers Karna's friendship and sacrifices, cherishing their bond as one of the most profound relationships of his life. Karna's unwavering support and loyalty serve as a timeless example of friendship and devotion in the annals of the Mahabharata. The friendship between Karna and Duryodhan also raises moral dilemmas, highlighting the complexities of loyalty, duty, and righteousness. While their bond is celebrated for its steadfastness, it also raises questions about the consequences of blind allegiance and the ethics of supporting unjust causes. Ultimately, Karna and Duryodhan's friendship teaches valuable lessons about the power of loyalty, sacrifice, and companionship. Their bond transcends social barriers and personal ambitions, embodying the true essence of friendship in the epic narrative of the Mahabharata. As the Mahabharata concludes, the enduring legacy of Karna and Duryodhan's friendship endures as a symbol of unwavering loyalty and steadfast camaraderie, resonating through the ages as a timeless testament to the power of friendship amidst the trials and tribulations of life. Despite their deep friendship, divine interventions and cosmic designs shape the destinies of both Karna and Duryodhan, highlighting the intricate interplay between individual choices and larger cosmic forces in the unfolding drama of the Mahabharata. In the larger scheme of the Mahabharata, Karna and Duryodhan's friendship also serves as a catalyst for redemption and forgiveness, prompting reflection on the transformative power of compassion and understanding even in the midst of conflict and strife. In the tapestry of the Mahabharata, the bond between Karna and Duryodhan endures as a timeless reminder of the enduring power of friendship amidst the tumultuous currents of destiny and the eternal quest for truth, righteousness, and human connection.